Good morning. Good morning, family. I just wanted to let you see what I'm doing to my hair today. I don't know how long this is going to stay or how long I'm going to leave it in, but this is going to be my hairstyle, at least for today and tomorrow. Hopefully more days than that. This number of Sisterlocks will be 2 braids. I am making them smaller than I did the last time. I am doing something a little different when I do the braids, and I didn't start out doing it. I just decided to do things just a little bit differently today. And I'm liking the way the hairstyle is turning out. I don't know if I'm going to do half up, half down, or if I'm going to put these braids in all of my hair. I want you to know that I am not braiding the hair tight. I'm moving down quickly as I braid. And it's not a tight braid. I don't want to have trouble getting them out when I decide to take these braids down. But what I'm doing differently this time is I'm braiding right down to the black hair, and then once I get to the black hair, I am doing a 2-strand twist to end the process of 1 braid. And I've only done it with maybe 5 or 6 braids so far, because I didn't think about it until then. As I braid this last braid, let me just thank my subscribers. You are showing up and showing out, and I really appreciate it. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting, and just for joining the G&G family. I really appreciate you. I appreciate you a lot, because you're helping my channel to grow. I am not trying to rush this process of growth, but I am just accepting what God allows. That's what I'm doing. Accepting what God allows. And I really appreciate you all. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. And I especially love God. I will come back to let you see what I decide to do besides just putting in the braids. Have a great day. I'm back, and I did not braid the back of my hair. I don't know if I'm going to braid the back of my hair. I just don't know. It depends on how I feel. So this is what I have right now. I had to go in and do an extra braid, like split 2 braids so that it would look better. And I'm not braiding the back. As a matter of fact, right now, if I look at this, style, I like it. I like the way it drops. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but let's take a look at the back. So the back is just dropping right now. And I think I'm just going to do a half up, half down hairstyle. And so I want it to look kind of smooth as it goes back. I'm gonna do it as smooth as I can. So I could do that. Yeah, I could. Just gonna take this right now here and to take this back as smooth as I can. I'm gonna take my hand. I think I like that look. I'm going to just take this and cross it over, and hopefully I have all of them. I'm going to take my largest goodie clip put that in. I noticed that this braid has fallen out, and guess what? I may just let it stay out. I am going to wear my hair like this today. Yes, God is good. God is good. God is good. Have a wonderful day.